Babes, welcome back to my channel. Zoe here. If you're new today, I'm back with another video, and obviously as you can see, your girl has switched it up. Okay, today we are doing another wig review and I'm so excited. I went for this like ginger fiery 70s haircut with the, with the little swoops, all of that. I don't really know what the vibes are, but I went for it and I actually love it. I was so nervous for how this would come out, but I absolutely love it. This video is sponsored by AFSisterWigs. If y'all know me, y'all know I've partnered with AFSisterWigs multiple times on my channel, so I definitely appreciate them for sending me this unit today. Today I'm basically going to show you guys how I dyed this, installed it, and styled. So if you guys want to watch how I basically got this look, definitely stay tuned. And before I go, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Also going to pop up my Instagram and my TikTok right here so that you guys can see all of the other content that I produce on my other social platforms. And yes, let me not talk y'all up, let's just get into it. Alright, so this is the hair in its original state. It was a 613 unit straight transparent lace, and I want to say it was about 22 inches. And as you guys saw in the beginning, I am going to be dyeing it a fiery ginger color. I first went in with the Adore Spiced Amber and Cinnamon, and then I later ended up going in with the Sienna Brown just to darken it up because those two colors really were way too orange and bright. And I did do the watercolor method. This is really just the easiest method, especially when you're dyeing a 613 unit. It's a solid color. It's really easy. All you're gonna do is fill up your bucket with hot water. I just did it based off of the faucet. Then I'm gonna pour in the dye, mix it together, and then I'm just going to dip the hair. It's really self-explanatory. The only tips that I can suggest that you have for this is making sure you're getting every aspect of the hair fully saturated. It is very easy, to think you're getting it saturated and then you pull it up and you have a blonde patch. So really getting in there, mixing it in, spreading the hair apart, really making sure that all of the dye is covering it. But overall, it is a pretty simple task. Pretty much anybody can do this method. So yeah, I'm just gonna dip dye it. And then after I dip dyed it, I did cut off about, I want to say like 2 to 3 inches off of the hair. I really did want to go for more of a short natural look. So cutting the hair definitely was something that I wanted to do, as well as I will say the hair was a little bit thinner towards the ends than the top of it. The top was way more dense than the end, so that's another reason why I wanted to cut it a little shorter. Alright you guys, so I'm finally here ready to install the unit. I already put my bald cap on off camera just because that process is very tedious and, didn't feel like filming it. I'm not gonna lie, this is not the color I was going for. I literally have dyed this unit twice, which you guys saw in the beginning of the video, and I don't know how I feel about the color, I'm not gonna lie, but we're kind of hoping for the best in this install process, and hopefully I will love it once it's on me. But yeah, I already put my bald cap on. It's giving very bald-headed. I'm not mad at her though. She kind of convinced me that I won't be too ugly if I shave my head, which I probably will never do. It's transparent lace, I think, but it's not as like see-through as I wish it would be. It's not bad though. Yeah, this is the inside of the wig. It's constructed pretty well. It's a 13x4 frontal, and then it did come with an elastic band, which I am gonna keep in there just because I do have a really small head. So yeah, I'm gonna start the process of putting this bad boy on, and we're gonna get started. So This is on. I still have to customize it. The only issue that I'm having right now is that for whatever reason, like the cap is sitting really bulky on my head. This weird gap to where it's like not sitting right. Like it's not framing my, face. Like it's like, I did buy this little razor thing from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna use this in order to do it, and I'm basically going to create some layers, and then I haven't decided if I'm gonna curl it yet or if I'm going to keep it straight. I also need to kind of fix this part because I cut the bottom really jagged. Like as you can see, there's absolutely no pattern to that. Yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling. I'm feeling a little, it's giving a little treacherous. It's giving a little, is this a good idea? this is the final look. This is how it came out. I absolutely love it. I was really nervous as I was doing it, but like upon finishing it, I'm obsessed. I think it's so freaking pretty. I did want to talk about the specs about the hair before I go. The hair is from AFSisterWigs, and they did send me this hair, so big thank you to them. They sent me a 613 straight unit, and I basically dyed it to this fiery ginger color. I also cut it. It was a lot longer. It was probably about like 22 inches, I believe. And I did cut it to the shorter length just because I felt like that would look better for the look that I was going for. And it was a straight texture. As for the hair itself, I haven't had too many issues with it thus far. It was laying a little bit funny before, but I think adding the curls in definitely gave it a lot more body and it made it look a lot better. You know, this was my first time laying a wig in a really long time, so I'm actually very proud of, you know, how it came out. You know, they lay baby hairs. I'm not good at laying baby hairs on wigs, so I just don't do it. But if you're good at laying baby hairs, you can probably make something work, but me personally, no. So I just basically, also comment down below what other wig styles you guys want me to try. I'm bringing back the wig videos, and I'm gonna try to do a lot more adventurous styles, so definitely comment below and let me know if there's any specific styles that you guys want to see. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.